Imagine buying a lottery ticket for $40 billion. That's essentially what SoftBank just did with OpenAI, and it tells us everything about when this AI giant is going public. SoftBank has just made the largest single investment in OpenAI's history, pumping $40 billion into the company at a staggering $157 billion valuation. But this isn't just about the money. It's about timing. When mega investors like SoftBank write checks this massive, they're betting on a specific exit strategy, and that strategy points directly to 2026. Here's why this investment is actually a countdown timer to OpenAI's IPO. First, let's decode what this deal actually means. SoftBank is buying secondary shares, meaning they're purchasing existing stock from current shareholders rather than giving OpenAI new capital directly. This type of transaction typically happens when a company is preparing for public markets. Current investors want liquidity, and new institutional investors want it before the IPO premium kicks in. Think of it like musical chairs. Everyone's positioning themselves before the music stops. Second, the timing aligns perfectly with OpenAI's funding restrictions. The company has agreements that limit when it can go public, but those restrictions expire in 2026. SoftBank knows this timeline, which explains why they're willing to pay such a premium now. They're essentially buying a guaranteed seat at the IPO table. Third, SoftBank's investment history reveals their strategy. They typically hold positions for 18 to 24 months before major exits. With this investment happening now, that timeline puts us squarely in 2026 territory. The $157 billion valuation also creates the perfect launching pad for a public offering. It's high enough to generate excitement, but leaves room for IPO pop that retail investors love. This investment isn't just about believing in OpenAI's technology. It's about positioning for what could be the biggest tech IPO since Facebook. When someone bets $40 billion, they're not gambling. They're buying certainty. If you want to understand how AI companies prepare for going public next, it is already on the channel.